kailangan, nagsuwa, Diyos. Hindi nyo kailangan.
She's got some nice long hair, and you know that she's a gadget. All the boys stare, can't help it, it's a habit. Clothes that she wears, short skirt and a jacket. I just wanna get her out on a mattress. I just wanna have it, I just gotta have it. Rumors all around say her body is fantastic. All natural, not a piece of fur is plastic. Head to her toes, yeah, they say that she's a bad chick. Facebook's on the line, say she has a reputation. Don't believe it till I see it, so I want a demonstration. And I'm always learning better with the hands-on education. So I need a private session if you get what I'm saying. And they say that she's not easy, but she's really complicated. But that only makes it better, and it's got me so fixated. And I'm not the type to date her, but I'm never hesitating. But she's got me activated, so the game I'm gonna play it, yeah.
Yung gawin natin, yung pagkamit yun na yung kasi ang sa inyo yung balabantay, balabantay, surbol naman sa ating ako kung ano
To get away,
pinopost yung
you like to stay out late. I heard you had a couple boyfriends.
Pumiyak ka na naman?
I heard they didn't treat you right. I heard you're hated by your girlfriend. Cause all the guys want you to know. Yeah, they say she's too hot, they say she's too cold. Where she came from, nobody really knows. They say she's very strong, they say she's asshole. From everything I've heard, she gets out of control. And all the boys say she was sent from the heavens. But I'm not sure that this girl is a blessing. She's got me down, touch you like a weapon. She's got me in my mind like a bad obsession. Got bad intentions, got a body like a broken.
Grabe naman yun. Grabe naman yun. Yung ano siya, yung napakaisip.
Yung ako na video. Bakit yung live eh?
Gas ba yan?
86.
Kaya tatlo lang muna natin dun eh. Paano pa tayo?
Galing nga tayo sa mga
Hindi na lang tayo eh. Nagulat ako, hindi na pinag-jumpo dito.
Galaman. Basket.
Tatlo na alam mo, sabi ko, turbol na to eh. Hinahin ako. Football na.
Alam ka, makakuha mo na kayo ng goal eh.
Pagkapasok ko dyan po, di nang binalit. Sayang.
Bagal na ikot. Hindi siya pwede mag-goal na ano.
Bigay ko sa kanya, di nang binalit. Monitor ako dito, walang bantay. Ang layo.
Lagos na nga ako, nag-ilalim na nga ako.
Dos.
Uno lang, uno. Kabila.
Dos.
Basket. Galing. Pasa ka.
Lobo.
Kala ko bobomba na eh. Talsik talaga yung mga pets doon. Dinos lagi mo kaliit na ina. Napupunta lagi doon na nanalo.
Ano siya, bumabangga talaga siya. Delikado yung kanyang
Kung ano, kung pinwersa ka palalo naman.
Nakita mo kanina yung kaya pumawala ko dito. Masasahod ako eh, pag ano ko yun.
Pag gagano, huwag mo sasalubong si
Hindi,
Iggy.
angkel ako eh, pwede ako ma-angkel.
Mahilig si Iggy, gagano na pero pipitikin ka ng ano.
Hindi ma-angkel ako dun oh. Kasi yung pagbaksa ko, nakaganon na yung paa niya. Diba? Pagbaksa ko, ma-angkel ako dun.
Landing spot kasi yun.
Wala kang academia sa lingkod?
Linggo, lang.
All zero.
Hindi, ayoko masyadong gabi na pagka-ipitin sa linggo eh. Para maaga pahinga.
Pwede na kayo sa ano?
Walang pa.
Sa linggo sa ano kami, courtyard kami. Courtyard.
Ha?
Sa courtyard kami, linggo.
Tagal?
Squad day, linggo.
Saan yun?
Sa BGC.
BCC? Ay, yung umaga?
Hindi, gabi. Scheduling. Mabilis kasi mapuno. Kailangan mag-aabang ka alas 4 na. Alas 4 ng hapon. 3 days before ang ano nung laban. Ay, 3 days after
Sabado
na.
kasi patron kami. Sunod na rin linggo eh.
Pwede naman doon umaga eh. Linggo. Ang init nga lang.
Gising ko, alas 2 na lang
Wala.
tanghali eh. Sige nga, niyaya ko kanina. Alas 9, BGC.
Arib,
Oo,
naglaro siya umaga. Tayo na, init na.
layo.
Saan?
Sa BGC. Alas 9, nakakatulog ako, alas 8.
Galing.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I head up.
Bilis nga, puro dos kasi.
Never looking back.
Nakadalawang game na kami.
Keep my head up, staying strong. Always moving on. Feel I
Tama lang
don't
yung format na
belong,
yan.
so my best to move along. Push myself
Mabilis
to
ang
be the
nasasana yung
best.
player na test spacing.
Live with every breath. See my
Kasi pag 21 tapos inuuna lang, tagal, isang oras na kayo.
Then you hit your teens, like they really what it seems. Try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get
Yun na po tayo mga bata ka, pinagtitraining ko na eh. Naganda na iligaw, yari kayo. Ano pala, takbuhan pa naman lahat eh. Nasa amin yung kinukuha mo eh. Malaki ko. Nalang sa amin.
I'm just being genuine, yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline, yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, let me in, yeah.
Basket, unod.
I'm grateful, yeah, I'm stable, yeah, so thankful, yeah, you know me, I got find me, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win, fake love, I want the real stuff, everybody listen up, cause I
Uno.
only say it once, I'll show show you a lot of love. If you want it bad, I'ma show you every side, yeah, how you can get it back. Yeah, cause I ain't never done. I'll be number one, working hella hard until I get just what I want. Yeah, rises like the sun, yeah, flavor like a gun. Shooters gonna shoot and I'm gonna shoot until I fall. And always do it alone, so I gotta get through it.
Basket, una.
The only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never stop till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all the stars, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. I'm grateful, able, I'm stable, label, you know me, only, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to wait, yeah.
Uno. All four. All four.
Yeah. Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's faking now. Yeah, she hates me now. I made mistakes, but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my
Gas,
in
Paul.
the zone. That's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to flow back up. If I never let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more best friend. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off best friends. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand need help. I don't wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me in my head. It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright.
Last to last. Last. Tira.
Break down, always feel like I could break now, but I never let it take me to that place now. I won't ever let my thoughts get away now. I got better things to do, thinking fake now. I just wanna be the best, call me great now. I don't know if I'm okay or I'm safe now. I remember better days on the playground, but I can find my way even when I'm facing down. I fight, even when I don't know what is right. I'ma pick a side and I'ma take pride. I will decide what they like. You never let them tell me who I am. If you try to shake me, I'll be down. Planning on the ground is where I stand. Never give up, that was always the plan. It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright.
Game ball.